Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Money, and we are live. Ready to trade. Ready to get that bamboo. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Low man, good morning. Happy camper, good morning. Frozen in motion, welcome back. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. Black Eyed Gypsy. Good morning, everyone. New series. It is. We're taking a small break from a scalp a day keeps the boss away. We're taking a small break from that because we're just trying to we're trying to regain here. We're trying to regain. Focus on what's most important. Sticking to the plan. This is stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Trading. We got Big Mama about to trigger here. Big Mama about to trigger. Here's the market open. This 2000 tick chart. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. I'm just gonna go over what happened yesterday. So, if you guys remember, yesterday I drew this blue box saying that we made a bounce here from, because you can see that this price action is showing that the institutions thought this was an interesting price to break out of. So when it comes back down to that price, institutions who missed this move want to come in. And so they bought here on the top of the blue box, and it bounced off the blue box. And then we came back into this range here, this blue box, and basically just hung out here for a while. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Hugh, good morning. Ruben, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Will Curtis, welcome, guys. Welcome. Big Mama's about to trigger here. We got a Big Mama about to trigger. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Black Eyed Gypsy Black Eyed Gypsy Apple. Think. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Edward Nunez says, green morning. That's what we want. That's what we want. Welcome, guys. Welcome. How you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing well. All right, Cruz, did you guys update to new NT? I may. I don't think I have yet. I need to update it. Ruben, if this month goes well, I will buy an eval. All right, deal. Deal. Market's about to open. We are trading the MES today. 5-minute chart only. This is punishment. This is my probation period. And I've decided to trade only one of these accounts at a time. There's no reason to expose. No reason to expose. to have more exposure than I need. Especially for the purpose of this series. Purpose of this series is stick to the plan. That's it. That's all, pandas.
$10,000 tick trap.
Market's about to open. Got 2 minutes. Let me check news real quick. We have news at 10 o'clock. ISM Services PMI. Whew, and Jolt's job openings could be big. Could really be big. We'll see, though. We'll see. We shall see, pandas. We shall see. We have ADP non-farm employment change tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Thursday, 8:30 a.m. unemployment claims. Friday, 8:30 a.m. average hourly earnings month-over-month non-farm employment change unemployment rate, and then 10 a.m. prelim U of M consumer sentiment. So we have news every single day this week. High impact news. Just be aware. If I were to choose the big kahuna news event, the make or break news. Oh, it's tough. It's tough. It's either next week Tuesday 8:30 a.m. or Wednesday 8:30 a.m. Next week 8:30 a.m. is a core CPI, which has to do with inflation, and then Wednesday you have 8:30 core PPI and also 2 p.m. the Fed funds rate and the FOMC statement. So, I mean, next week could be wild. I mean, you get Fed funds rate most likely again. They're not going to change the interest rate. It's just going to keep it still. I'll be very surprised if they change the interest rate. If they do, it's gonna make the market go crazy. I just want to see Jerome Powell one day just be like, I'm going to tell him one thing, and then actually on the day of, I'm just going to just do something completely different. Just see the market go haywire. Actually break the market. Trip all the circuits. Market just opened. Let's see here. We're opening in the middle of yesterday's range. I have no strong feelings here. Let's look at the first bar, see how it ends. We have news at 10, so we could chop around until then. It happens often. It's almost expected. Or we may take our time to get back to the previous day's close. $10,000 tick chart looks like it's wants to keep going down. 10,000 tick is showing a second entry short. Second entry short here. You can see with the red number on the super signal, if it triggers, if the price triggers this diamond, touches this diamond, then that means that this will be the fourth pullback down. But second entry short. Fourth pullback down, but second entry short. I know it sounds confusing, but that's what it is. 2,000 tick chart setting up a trap. Just look at the 5-minute chart, Panda. It's trading MES. We are focused. Stick to the plan. Ruben asks, where do I check news? Right now, my news source is you. Forex Factory. I think it's the best. And I put all the filters on. The filters I turn on, not all the filters. The filters I turn on are high impact news. And that's, and I just do US, USD only. Risky trades. Econo Day is better. Let me check Econo Day. Financial. A lot of people use Financial Juice too. Never seen this website. It's probably gonna give me some sort of virus or something.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. Oh, it just says just news. It's not bad. It seems a little confusing still. It gives you a little more information, I guess. But looking at off the bat, I'm a little bit confused already. Yeah. In a sense, it's like too complex. It's too much information. I just want like the bare bones. Forex Factory. But it just says, P.S. Apex advises not to upgrade NinjaTrader. Yeah. I typically don't like to upgrade right away. Let it take some time. Let them figure it out. Because I use Apex Investing News. That works well too. The reason why that's annoying though is because you have to keep selecting all the filters. Super annoying. All right, so we got a bear bar, first bar of the day. Just imagine you just met someone. Just imagine you met someone. Or just imagine you're with your significant other. And you're trying to figure out, okay, what kind of day are they having? You know, you want a little more information than, just like the first couple things they do. First couple words. There's like 5 bars overlapping. Your significant other is having a tough day. Just imagine your significant other is just saying one thing and then saying the opposite thing next, going back and forth. And you're just like, what's going on? Maybe my partner is a little bit confused today. We do have news at 10, so we could be chopping around here. I have no strong feelings right now. Actually, my no strong feelings makes me feel strongly about not trading right now. The second bar is pretty much overlapping the previous bar. And look at the first bar. It's a big wick here with a tail. Range is very small. I should have the ATR up, huh? Yeah, the ATR onto this. ATR is pretty good to help you figure out what's a good take profit and how much risk you should be taking. Black Light just says, I'm with you on the micro journey. Just took a $40 win on WebK. Go back to the regular. That's $400. Just go back to regular. Okay, now push down. Market is kind of deciding what it wants to do. Strong bear bar may give credence to just go short. A doji bar here will just be confusion. Maybe limit order market. Pandas, we are so close to 20K subs. We're at 19,989, 11 more subs, and we hit 20K, Pandas. 20K. Can you believe it? 20K subs. We gotta do a 20K special. The moment I hit 20K, I'm gonna reach out.
10,000 tick trap.
Gabriel says, "Today is insane." I mean, we just started. We're 10 minutes in. Calm down, everyone. Just calm down. I get 3 bear bars in a row here. But look at the wick. Look at the quality of this bar. Equal size wick and tail. I think it still shows confusion here. And this might help you peer into the future of the price action we may get later. Trading range indicator working perfectly here. You gotta love that. Okay. I may just wait for news. If we get another bear bar, sooner or later the bulls are gonna have to say, this is too much pain. They may try to buy again here, creating a double bottom. Brooke says there's typically at least one good 10-point swing trade every single day. At least one good 10-point setup. Okay, still confusing. There's another like doji bar here being printed. But we do have, it's not completely overlapping. Not yet, at least. This might completely overlap it next. I'm just waiting, pandas. It's actually kind of a bit confusing. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Danny Boy Trader just got my payout approved. Well, lucky you.
10,000.
Or aren't you special? I'm just kidding. Congratulations. I always love it when the pandas get payouts. It just reminds me how worth it is to do this channel, right? How worth it is to stream. How worth it is to spend hours every single day making content. It just reminds me just how good this community is. It's worth having this community. Okay, we're getting a complete overlapping bar. Do I feel strongly to go long here? I mean, look at the price action. It's very difficult to tell these 3 bars what's going to happen. Right now, you can consider this like a break, like a bear flag, but we're in trading range. Okay, 15 minutes till news. Bull bar here. As expected, before news you get a little bit choppy. Okay, it looks like a limit order market. Like you want to buy, you want to sell high, buy low. Might be worth buying or selling up here somewhere, thinking we'll stay in this small range. One, two, 3 bars. The only problem is you don't know, the extent of the range yet. Right now, like completely overlapping bars essentially makes things confusing. Peter Cho, good morning. Expander, good morning. Mawashi, good morning. Kellyanne, welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream. If I were to make a trade here, I would buy. If I had to choose, I would buy limit orders here in this area. Down here, sell with limit orders up here. Because it just looks like we're very choppy for now. If this third bar is overlapping, I may just sell near the top. Limit order, sell. Okay, breaking the high of the previous bar. I'm thinking people are going to sell up here somewhere. That's just my, lack of a better word, my feeling. My analysis. How about I say that? My analysis. I mean, we just got 3 overlapping bars, so I'm just thinking it'll continue to chop. I mean, we could easily come back to the 20 EMA, bounce off of 20 EMA, create just this range, limit order market here. People selling, limit orders somewhere up here. Eventually, it'll break out, and then you'll lose. But while it lasts, you can take advantage of it and scalp as many times as you can. Okay, pushing up. We broke the high of this bar, of this candle. That's kind of where I would like to sell, probably. Right, the top. This is technically top of a trading range now. But I like to see this bar finish because I don't want it to end on like a strong bull bar. Any strong bull bar, I'm always hesitant to trade opposite of. I don't think I'll ever be able to not feel hesitant to sell top of a strong bull bar. It's just too hard. If anything, this range is just too tight for me to trade. Okay, and it's kind of bullish. Still feel like trading range. Probably be more comfortable selling up here still, somewhere. Scaling once. Only problem is we got only 10 minutes of news, and so we might actually be close to news. What is wrong with my phone? pushing higher. The first 5 bars are showing itself to be pretty choppy here. But after news, I would say things might change. Things might change after news. Certainly feels like a limit order market of some sort. Yeah, it makes sense to sell like after the break of this bar. Just have like a limit order right here. You know, you could do a 1-to-1 risk reward of whatever your reward is. Just put that same risk on the other side. It makes sense to me, like just to sell somewhere up here. The reason why I didn't want to sell here is because I felt like if we did break above this high, we could get to the 20 EMA, and where I would like to see a bounce of the 20 EMA coming back into here. That's what I would want to see, but you know, people are just eager to jump in here, huh? The range is too small, too tight. The big news is at 10. ISM Services PMI and JAWS job openings 10 a.m. It's you know, that's the high impact news for today. So Blacklight Gypsies, I just remember I can activate a PA. What? That's the first thing you should do. You should have done that last night. Jolts as well. PMI and Jolts is happening at 10. So it's hard for me to enter a trade here because it might carry into the news. Decent push up. We do have a gap that we may want to fill as well. Okay, maybe the market wants to go up after all. Strong bull bar potentially here. This is very difficult for me just to sell after a strong bull bar like this. Because to me, it just feels like no matter what, even if it's like pure trading range, it'll probably some sort of little bit of follow through. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the stream. A pretty strong bull bar, but heading right into resistance here. 5 more minutes until news. About 4 more minutes till news. Kellyanne, so this new Apex copier is trash and doesn't work properly. It caused me to bust 2 new PA accounts yesterday. That's not good. Yeah, there might be different news. There might be different PMI. It's ISM Services PMI. I don't know. Email Forex Factory. See, this is why you gotta stick with Replicanto. Replicanto, 20% off BBM20. Thanks for the free advertisement. Use Replicanto. The links are in the description if you want Replicanto. Okay, kind of getting that trading range as I thought. Again, it's always hard for me to sell a bull bar like this, but we're beneath, like, right at the resistance here. Coming back into, this is what I was expecting, right? Coming up to the 20 MA. That's what I wanted, and I wanted to reverse it here back into our trading range. That's kind of what I was looking for. But news in about 2 minutes here.
10,000 tick trap.
Kellyanne, I just started a P account yesterday, so not a huge loss, but I'm still pissed. This is what I was expecting to happen, and this is kind of the level where I would like to go short, but the problem is you also have a gap that needs to be filled. So when you make a strong move towards a certain target, it makes it feel like you may keep going up to it. Expander. Yeah, I mean, that's why I like Forex Factory, because if you just put high impact news, US only, I believe the filter is... What exactly are they? High impact news, I do all event types and just do USD. And therefore, like, even though you had news at 9:45, nothing happened. Right? It wasn't like an actual impactful news. But the Forex Factory, not saying all news will cause the market to move, but at 10 o'clock, most likely you're going to notice a significant, at least volatility. It might not move huge in one direction or the other, but you'll definitely see some rapid movements here on this bar. Right at 10, most likely. Anyways, guys, use Market Watch if you want, Forex Factor, whichever one you want. Use what you like. All right, news dropping. Huge move up. See, that's the news. That's what news should do. Huge move up. Could have passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Could have passed a 150K account with that one spike up. Incredible move up. Trying to fill the gap, it seems like. Makes sense to me. Like a very clear target to make. And now we're above the 20 MA. Looks like we're still in a big trading range here. strong bull bar developing, but 4 more minutes on this bar, so anything can happen. Really, anything can happen. You gotta let the bar finish. That was nice. That was a nice move, right? You could have passed 50K accounts. You could have passed 150K accounts. I don't think you can't pass 300K accounts, right? You need a 12-point move, at least not yet. But this one move was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, right, your goal 9,000, 150K. You can trade. Oh, only 17 contracts actually. $150K, you can trade 17 contracts. Is that right? You need a 10.58 move or 10 point and 3/4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, no problem. I mean, you'll hit it. You'll get it. Trying to fill the gap. Gap filled. Strong bull bar, about to break the previous day's high. No way. I'm trying to think that we're gonna just. Oh, maybe. I may just buy the end of this bar, but news bars are tricky, especially in trading ranges. News bars are tricky. News bars. It's a surprise bar, but it's also a news bar. Someone just subbed. Appreciate it. We are currently at 19,990 subs. Just 10 more subs, Pan, as we hit 20K. Can we capture the moment on stream? Will it be possible? Peter Show says, went long with all my evals. Let's go, baby. I hope he passed them all. It's a huge move up. Unstoppable move up right now. Sick. Regardless, I'm just waiting for it to finish. I'd like to see the end of this bar. Wow, we almost triggered Big Mama. We're one tick from triggering Big Mama here. The one thing I'm noticing is that we are in a range, though. So even a strong bull bar, it would mean a lot more if we weren't in such a trading range where we're hitting right at the top. It feels almost overextended, but who knows? This could be the beginning of a bull trend. It's such a strong move. Little wick on top of it right now. And the overall, very strong move. Jeez. Very strong move up. It's a surprise bar, but news bar, also top of trading range. I would like to see follow through here. The moment the bar finished, people sold. Right, limit order sells up top of this trading range. I can just draw it for you guys. Here's a big trading range here. Hope you guys can see it. We're at the top of it. So even though this super strong bull bar is printed, you gotta recognize you're at the top of a trading range. Especially when it's like this, it could be overextended. And I cannot sell See, I don't know, the bulls or the bears who have gigantic cojones, they just sell this bar. That is just so crazy to me. I can't do that. If I see a strong bull bar, I'm just my gear is switched to long, and I'm just not thinking. I'm just gonna go short here. The immediate price action just overrides whatever other price action I see. I think you gotta consider both because this could be a breakout as well. It's such a strong bull bar. Yeah, I want to see the follow through here. 10 more subs, pandas. We just need 10 more subs.
10,000 tick trap.
Alright, pandas. Here it is. 10 more subs. Can we do it on stream? We're going to capture the moment. Can we get 10 more subs? I'm going to refresh this every once in a while. Is it possible, pandas? Is it possible? Danny Boy traders, are we good to resume trading afternoons? Yeah, you can trade afternoons, of course. Alright, strong bear bar. No follow through whatsoever on this strong bull bar. Makes me want to just go short here, come back to the bottom here, thinking this was a trap. Oh, pandas! Pandas, I just lost a sub. What's going on? What are you guys doing? the point of showing this is to encourage you guys to sub, not unsub. Pandas. I was so excited. I just saw the number drop. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Why are you trying to ruin my moment here? Oh, but pin. You guys are horrible. You guys are actually horrible. It's okay. My identity is not in my sub count, pandas. My identity is in Jesus Christ. Alright, guys. Alright? My identity is in Jesus. Jesus! Pandas! What's going on? What the heck? Pandas. My identity is in Jesus and not in my sub count. I will not be affected. You guys unsubbing. Alright. We stabilized. Stop unsubbing, pandas. Please. I just... This is embarrassing. All I wanted is to capture on stream. Us reaching 20K. I thought it would be possible. Big drop down here. $20K curse. The more you want it, just like payouts. The closer you are, the more likely you're about to tilt. Alright, so absolutely no follow through on that strong bull bar, top of a trading range, so you gotta be careful of that. Even though you don't see the strong bull bar, look at the context that we're in. I mean, it's just a bull leg and a bear in a trading range, so I don't know. I'm fascinated right now. You guys keep unsubbing. Oh, okay, we got one sub back. We're going the right direction this way. This is like I'm in a trade right now. I'm in a trade and I just keep looking at it, and then my P&L keeps going red. I may go long here, pandas. Thinking of going long, even though we're bouncing on top of trading range. It makes sense to go short, huh? But we're above the 20 MA. Strong bull bar. Now we're gonna have some follow through here. Interesting. It's a higher low setup as well. People just bought at the 20 MA, scalping out already. We're just scalping here at 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Keep scalping it. Now 5 points, scalping at 5 points. You guys don't have... GC Burst says he got him out. Oh, you gotta subscribe. You don't have to do that. You honestly don't have to do that. I want genuine subs on the stream. Ooh, look at that. So that's why you gotta wait for the candle to finish. Pandas. Gotta wait for it to finish. And while we wait for it to finish... What's my sub count at? Back to 1990. Alright. Partying like it's 1999. Whew, 10 more subs, pandas. 10 more subs. I don't know what tricks you guys are pulling here. I don't know what you guys are doing. Alright, it makes sense to go short there, huh? It made a lot of sense just to go short. Top of a trading range, maybe back to the bottom of a trading range. I'm trying to figure out if I should go short here or not. It's hard to go short when you're above the 20 MA. I'm just not good enough for this type of price action right here. Like, what? I don't think there will be... I think it'll take me a long time to say, I'll just go short right here and be able to scalp out like that. I think it'll take me a long time in my trading journey just to feel that confident to just sell right there. It's just incredible that people can do that. I find it fascinating. That is actually fascinating. We are currently at 9 more subs, pandas. We need 9 more subs. F Zen says the winner of the 5K sub giveaway wants to see the 20K verified. F Zen was the first winner of the first time we had a special on the sub count milestones, and I think he got like a $100 gift card or something, a $50. I don't know, something. He got some sort of gift card. And got some PAs, or got some evals, free evals. Where are we at? Oh! 8 more subs, pandas. Can we capture it on screen? Can we actually capture it on stream, pandas? Can we capture it? Is it possible, pandas? Alright, we're set 92. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let you guys cook. I'm gonna let you guys cook a little bit here.
10,000 tick trap.
Trap 10,000 tick chart. Actually makes me want to go short here on the 10,000 tick trap. Six more subs, pandas. Is it possible? Is it possible, pandas, that we captured on stream reaching 20K subs? Whoo! I'm about to pop out some whiskey. I'm about to pop out some whiskey to celebrate. Pandas. I don't think you understand what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to get up to 20K subs, not away from 20K subs. Can we all be on the same page here for once, please? Please. Geo just subbed. Brings us to... Wait, was that a live update? No, it wasn't. Wait, how did it update? Oh, it didn't update. Alright, we're at... Whoa, 6 more subs. Bonzimich. Getting closer and closer. 6 more subs. Blue Steel, you haven't subbed? You've been watching what? This is embarrassing. Now I know who hasn't subbed yet. Wait, hold up. You guys are unsubbing and subbing. Stop it. It's not helping. If you guys understand, if you unsub and sub, it just brings it to 0. You just fill up the screen with your notifications. That's all it does. Stop it. You guys are not helping. You guys, I don't think you guys understand math, right? -1 and then +1 equals 0. You guys are trying to break math right now. Yet I'm still checking if the sub count is changing. I know you guys are already subbed. Tuna Instinct. All right, that has to be a new one. No. What's going on? You guys are... I don't want to say you guys are stupid, but I wouldn't be lying if I said it. Going short here, pandas. We're going to follow through on this bear bar.
10,000 tick.
We're at the 50% mark here, actually. Let's see. Okay, maybe balancing out the 50%. People are trying to buy with limit orders all along here, it seems like. A bit scary. Alright, 6 away. 6 away, pandas. Okay, so I got your long trigger here. Actually, let's go for a long trade here. You can see all the limit orders piling up here. I'll like one more pull back to the 20 EMA, retest it one more time for me. But people bought the close there. You can see with virtually 0, there's 0 tail here. So people bought here, always in long. Give me a strong bull bar. I'll enter long here as well. I'll enter in. Ooh, pandas, 5 more. 5 more subs. 5 more subs. 4 more subs. Pandas. 4 more subs. We're so close. 4 more subs. So close. Pandas. We're going to make history here. December 5th, 2023. Bye Bye Money has made 20K subs. Completely organically, grinding every single day. For about 3 years. 20K subs. Can we get there? 3 more subs. Woo! People are wondering, huh? Maybe I should just sub. I'll just do it. Ooh, we're so close. This is like it's like we're like 1 tick away. 1 tick away from filling our TP, getting to our TP. Decent bull move. I don't know. I may want to buy here. Just seems like it's right for a pullback somewhere here. 2 strong bull bars now. Above the 20, maybe potentially. Still top of a trading range. That's the problem. Oof. Getting closer to Big Mama here. Three more subs. Oh, man. I think I might buy. If I see a decent bull bar here, I may buy it. Okay, that's why you wait for the bar to finish. Goodness gracious. What in the world? You gotta wait for the bar to finish, pandas. But look at, for those who bought long here, already scalped out. Their scalp right now is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 point scalp essentially. Not bad. Not bad. That's why I said I think it's time for a pullback here. This is what we're getting. Huh. So 3 more subs. 3 more subs, pandas. Is it possible? Bring back the heart button. Oh, I don't think I can do it. I think it's too late. Panis. Panis, you're not helping the cause here. You're not helping the cause. Okay, now this is confusing. We keep hitting this resistance here at the top of this blue box. And sooner or later, one is going to give up. Either we're going to break through it, or we're going to give up. The bulls are going to give up, and we're going to come back down. Hard to say right now. This is mixed signals. It's hard for me to buy this, though, even though it does seem pretty bullish. It's hard for me to buy this. If anything, you know, I would like this. A, B, C. Right? Two-legged pullback. That'd be a nice setup here, if we can get one. People may be buying the close here. Oh! Pandas! 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 Wait, my next refresh. My next refresh. Pandas! 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 History has been made. Hey, we haven't made any money, but hey, this is just as good. Pandas. I don't even want to refresh it because I'm afraid like 100 people just unsubbed. I don't want to even refresh it right now. Let me just enjoy this moment. I mean, I'm gonna put them all on, baby. Let's do it. Yo. 20K subs, pandas. Do you believe? Do you believe? Is it possible? If a panda can do it, so can you. Goodness gracious. Alright, pandas. Today, after stream, I will be contacting. We'll get something special. I will announce. We'll probably do like a giveaway. So please be on the lookout. I usually do a video where I ask you guys to comment on it. And all those comments will help you guys enter into the drawings. And so be on the lookout for that. And really, hopefully, since you're a sub now, you guys will see, if a video gets released. So typically, I just, again, put out a special video. It's literally just for you to comment on it, so you can enter a raffles. And so we're gonna have a nice big special. Hopefully, probably next week. It'll probably take me a week to prepare. But today is a moment that we remember. 20K. 20K, pandas. Hooey! When I first started this, I did not ever think I would even reach, a 1,000 subs. That was a miracle for me. Like 1,000 subs, like whoa, what's going on? Now we're at 20K subs. We 20x'd. We're about to become Bitcoin here. Pandas, do you believe? Feels nice. Feels nice. I appreciate everyone watching. Everyone. Since you guys reached to 20K, we may get BBM90. I'm gonna ask for BBM90. We'll probably even get some free ones too. I'm gonna ask for BBM90 though. I'm gonna ask Apex. You gotta do something really special for me. We got a lot of viewers here. They have been loyal and very, 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 very engaged viewers. You guys are amazing. So I think Apex does. I think they know what we're doing here on this channel. I actually have some people sometimes from Apex joining this channel, and just to see what's going on. And so they're like, "Oh, Panda must be doing something right. Panda must be doing something right for us." So I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody. You'll get more information as I get information on what's gonna happen. Let's go, baby. 20K subs. Maybe we'll do a charity. I think charity makes sense. Maybe we can do like a charity one. Let me figure out how to do like a charity sub. We'll do a charity sub, and we'll do giveaways, and also any like super chats or whatever, or any donation, any donos will go straight to charity. So we'll try to do a 20K sub charity special, and I'll look up how to do that. I'll look up how to do that for you guys. I think that'll probably be the best way to celebrate here, right? Giving is always the best thing to do. So please be on the lookout for that. Get all the information. And we are, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm going to refresh this. And if it's less than 20K, so I'm going to be pissed. Pandas, 20. We got one more extra. Just when you thought, I thought the stop loss was hit. But no, now the runner's going. We got runners going now. We got our runner still alive. Big move back up here. Second entry long. Looks like a triangle starting to form here. If I go long here, I know what I'm getting myself into. Big, huge risk. Big, huge risk. Let's do it. We're having a hard time breaking beneath the 20 MA. We're closing above the 20 MA now. It's a big risk, but hey, micros. We're trading micros. We'll have big reward here. Kellyanne says, let's do a Kellyanne charity. Now I can buy max contracts to celebrate. I don't know. That's a celebration. Let me definitely. I'm gonna pop up some whiskey. 1 second, pandas. Let me just see if we go into this trade. I want to see what happens here. Just give me a minute. It seems like we're about to trade to trigger here. I love this, right? I love the ramping off the 20 MA. I love seeing this on the 5 minute chart. When the 20 MA starts to curl up like this, and then we cannot close beneath the 20 MA. In fact, we try to break beneath it and it fails to do so. Actually, I'll scale in. One contract and I'll start scaling in. Okay, this looks like it's about to be like a pause bar here, making little things a little bit confusing. I love the look of this. I'm gonna have a wide stop probably beneath this big bull bar. Have my stop beneath here, thinking that if we break beneath this bull bar, then our premise is completely wrong. If we get a bear bar here, I will cancel this trade. I want to go get some whiskey, but I gotta wait for this bar to finish. I want to see how it looks like. I don't want to miss this setup. Okay, get more bearish. Right, this triangle looks like this triangle here. All right, I'll be right back, Penis. All right, pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. We are back. Today's whiskey is a bourbon called Booker's. And, hey, I think it's worth it today. We got to celebrate a little bit. And if you guys know anything about Booker's, the packaging is just so over the top. It comes in like a wooden box and tells you everything about it. 126.6 proof. This batch is from January 2023. Wow. Age 7 years, 1 month, 8 days. Master Distiller Booker's. This is for you guys. 20K subs. This is for a cause for a special celebration. That's the bottle. You guys can't see it, but I'm going to give you as much ASMR as possible. Pandas. A day to celebrate. And you know what? The best part is you guys benefit from it. Because now we're going to try to get a special for you guys. Trust me, I'm going to try to get as much as possible for you guys. Cheers.
10,000 tick trap.
Yes. Woo! That bourbon hits different at 10:30 in the morning. I'll tell you that much right now. Woo. That is so caramelly. Wow, this is good. No wonder it comes in a wooden box. What in the world? What a celebration. Alright, getting a bull bar here. Don't want to go long still. Unfortunately, I feel like I need more follow through now.
Tick trap.
Okay, we do trigger it. It's building up some pressure. It looks like it wants to explode here. I think if I have a wide enough stop, I can get away with anything here. This is breakout trade. I would like to see the end of this bar. If it's strong bull bar, maybe I'll enter. So many bars overlapping. I might try to do one more test down here of this triangle. Alright, strong bull bar, buying the close. Missed it. Okay, we're in. Wide stop beneath the big bull bar. But good reward, right? We're looking for a big reward here. So this wide stop. I'm not planning to stay in for this wide stop. I'm not planning for it. I don't want to get hit here. But if I see like 2 bear bars, I might just get out. But if it comes all the way down here, this is my ultimate stop, and it is what it is. I just bought the close of that bar. And we'll wait. We'll wait and see what happens, pandas. It's nice to be on top. Kind of makes up for all the PAs I lost on Friday. Kinda. This feeling. It's a great feeling to have. Wow. It hits different. I'm telling you. Bourbon hits different at 10:30 in the morning. I'll tell you that right now. Goodness gracious. GOSOI smokes. Let me read some of your comments. I was so focused on just looking at the sub count. I'm a bad host. Crutch says, I was here. Yes, you were. Iceberg Blue, congrats. Appreciate it. Low Man says, face reveal. This is my face. BBM 90. Hopefully, we'll see. Kellyanne says, I'm mad at Apex right now. Why? Don't be mad. Blacklight just be glad to be here. Happy canvassers. Congrats, bro. Oh my god. Blacklight Gypsy. Cheers, Panda. I'll have one with you, Emmanuel Martinez. Appreciate it. Cheers to you. Bill says, Panda, do you have any idea on the big change Apex plans to make in March 2024? I do not. Spanish says, LMAO, whiskey in the morning sesh. Or sheesh. Peter Cho, got to go. Thanks for joining. GC Burke, 126, exactly. Put some hair on your chest. Put some more fur on your chest. Lawrence, cheers. Iceberg Blue, appreciate it. Tate, ASMR that. Bleep. Spanish, I will have one for you when I'm done trading. It's a good idea to wait after. You'll gain some liquid courage at possibly the wrong time. Cheers, 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 everyone. Gio says, do you smoke cigars? I enjoy them, but I don't do it on a regular. It's just a very strong smell. I don't think Mrs. Panda will like it. Mrs. Panda actually likes the smell of like alcohol. It's like a mouthwash. Whew, there we go. Getting a nice push up now. Iceberg Blue Genuine Celebration, yes sir. Oh yeah. I'm feeling already. That couple sips, I'm already feeling it. I'm already feeling it. Another strong bull bar pandas I'm buying. I'm scaling up. If it's a strong bull bar, any near tie, I'm buying. Thinking always in long. And I will continue to buy until there's no longer always in long. So this is something I can't do with Emini contracts. I'm ready to buy at the close, thinking people are going to buy at the close with me. Thinking institutions are ready to buy here. Institutions are waiting for the second confirmation, right? They're waiting for this bar, this confirmation bar. Something I should have waited for. But I feel very confident in this trade here. Like, very confident in this trade. Okay, I'm in. We'll continue to buy, right? We'll continue to be always in long here. Okay, pushing up here. Triggering Big Mama. continue to buy long here. If this bar closes strong, bull bar, I'm buying again. Right now, I'm showing the pointage. I'm not showing the actual currency. I'm just showing the pointage because we're trading micros. So if I show the pointage, it kind of will make it just the same as ES or not. Okay, waiting for this bar to finish here. If it's a strong bull bar, I'll buy again. I'll buy. I'm always in long. Buy the close. You buy here, you'll buy again. If it comes back to the 20 MA, you'll buy again. You just keep buying anything and everything at this point. About 1 more minute till this bar closes, though. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. 20K subs. Remarkable. We're still above 20K. Hey, I'm happy about that. All right, one person unsub, so I can get exactly 20K. All right, I just need one person to unsub. If like 100 people unsub now. All right, there it is. All right, no one else unsub. Please, no one else unsub. Please, please. That's all I need. Buying long here again. Something I cannot do again with ES contracts. Just always in long. Buy the close, always in long. And I would love it if it actually comes down to here. Because I can buy on the 20 MA. You're always in long trading. That means you're literally just buying at the end of every bar, thinking that eventually if we do drop down, we'll come back up to it. Right? Coming out break even, at the very least. At a certain point in time, I might have actually like one E-mini worth of contracts here. 10 contracts. Even a bear bar, I'll buy the close. Right, you gotta love the shape of this. 20 EMA rising like this, the 5 minute just ramping off of it. You gotta love the shape how this looks like right now. Always in long trading. Buy the close. And I'm not scared. Because I'm trading micros, pandas. Like, honestly, I'm trading micros. Like, this is what happens when you're not scared. You can actually do proper trading like this. Which is kind of weird. This seems proper, but... I'll buy the close again on a strong bull bar. About 1 minute though. We'll wait a little bit. Let this candle finish. You gotta let it finish though. A lot can happen in 1 minute when it comes to the market. Like a lot. You can see my first entry here. Oh, I should change it. Let me change the color of my entries because you can't see it. All right, blue entries mean I'm long. Okay, do I buy the close here on this bear bar? Sure, why not? Buy anything and everything. Couldn't even buy it, right? Because people bought the close here. People already did what I wanted to do. And I couldn't even do it because people bought it right away. They bought it quicker than me. I wasn't quick enough. Goodness, I need to make an automated strategy that just buys right when it closes. So so it's not dependent on me actually moving my limit order there. I need to do it right when it finishes. I need to have my have an automated strategy that just I should do that. I need to do that, I think. Because I'm not fast enough to time that perfectly. There are algorithms that are buying right when this bar closes. They're buying right away, and I'm not fast. I'm not fast enough for that. For my first entry, you can see here I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points already. That's a minimum for a scalp. This doji bar might scare some bulls, might scare some people, thinking that we're starting to lose momentum with this doji bar. To me, it's not about, this could give credence of why you just want to get out. To me, I just feel confident knowing that if we do have a pullback, most likely it will be small, and then we'll come back in. Oh, Blacklight, I told you about that indicator free on ecosystem. Will buy the close of the candle and automatically set stops to previous candle low high or your own parameters. Oh, cool. All right, maybe I'll have to make it. It's already there. No need to reinvent the wheel here. This bourbon's something else. Goodness gracious. I feel like I'm in heaven. Hooey! My tongue is in heaven. It's like tasting the sweet elixir, the dew from heaven, dripping from the clouds, falling right onto my tongue. That's what it feels like. It's just divine. I'm happy with 5 points here. Just let this candle finish, I guess. Let the candle finish. I want to see the end of this candle. It looks like it might start getting to a limit order market here as we keep making wedges here. Right, limit order market as we break the previous candle's high. Seems like people are selling near the top of the previous candle's high just from this bar and this bar. Basically making a spike in channel of some sort, probably. Let this candle finish. 20 more seconds. The reason why I want to wait for it to finish because it might blast off here. It might do like a blast off at the end of the bar, which is sweet. Should be really sweet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm out. $85, pandas. You know what? I almost make more money trading micros than trading E-minis. That's $850 if I was trading the actual E-mini. It's not really about the money though. It's about the pointage. It's about staying profitable, right? Sticking to the plan. That's what this whole series is about. Stick to the plan, pandas. Stick to the plan. I mean, you gotta love this. How this looks, right? You gotta love how the 20 EMA is just acting as this nice ramp for the and every candle closing above it, especially when it tries to go beneath it. You can see with the price action here, the market tried to break down, reverse at the top of the trading range. It did. In fact, it liked this double top here. And it made a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point move, right? It made a 5 point scalp here. But for me, I'm hesitant to go short there because we're above the 20 MA, and every single bar closes above the 20 MA. 20 MA rising like this, you gotta love how this looks like. That we make blast off like as we did here. And I just bought the close of every bar. Bought here, bought here, bought here. I tried to buy here, pandas, but I missed it. And I could have made even more bamboo, but it is what it is. And at the end, made 5 points off all of these contracts. So, pandas. I mean, $85, pandas. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Just trying to stick to the plan. And hopefully when we transition back to the E-mini, it'll be smooth. It'll be a real smooth transition. 20K subs, pandas. We made history today. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9:15 for the mainstream. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. I'll let you guys know. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys know when I release the video of the 20K sub special. It'll probably give some information about the 20K special, but really it's for you guys to comment. It's gonna be a special comment video so you guys can know, and probably have the date posted of when we'll actually have the 20K special. So stick around, stand by, be on the lookout for that, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Yep. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye. 20K.